We are going to have a look at Venn diagram in this session. So if we have two events, A and B, this is A and this is B. Okay. And if we are going to write in this Venn diagram some numbers like 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the sample space? S equals what? Let's ask Ayman, what is the sample space? Quickly, please. What is S? 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 outcomes. What is A? A is 2, 3, 4. What is B? 4, 5, 6, 7. You should know them well. What is A intersection B? 4. Only one number. It's 4. And what is A union B? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. What is A dash? Do you know what is A dash? Just write. It's here is A. I didn't write it. And here is B. Okay. What is A dash? You will just write all numbers outside A. It's 5, 6, 7, and 1. Now I know it's easy to find all these relations. What about A difference B? A difference B is 2 and 3. Now let's go to the probability. If I ask you about PA, the probability of A. So how many chances of A? We have 3 chances. 3 out of 7. What is the probability of B? It's 4 chances out of 7 chances. So what is the probability of occurring A and B together? A to section B. It will be what? 1/7. And what is the probability of A union B? It's 6 chances out of 7. Okay. What is BA dash? B dash, as you see, it's 4/7. Now I wanna to demonstrate a relation between A dash and A. What do you notice? The probability of A and A dash, when adding them together, you will get 1. So BA and plus BA dash equals 3 out of 7 plus 4 out of 7 equals what? 1. So we can say BA dash equals BA dash equals 1 minus BA. And when I ask you about the probability of not occurring of an event, any event like B dash, it will be what? 1 minus B. B, the probability of any of the relations is written here. I don't care about what is written here. Okay, if I put dash, so it will be 1 minus the probability of occurring this event. You should be familiar with it. Okay, let's go back. And I wanna build the relation between A union B here, BA union B, and BA, the probability of B, and the intersection. So as you see, the probability of A union B equals 6/7. It will be equal to what? The probability of A plus the probability of B. When adding them, you will get 7/7 minus the intersection. It's 1/7. So B, A union B equals what? BA, the probability of A, plus probability of B, minus the intersection, not the difference. BA intersection B. Okay. What if I asked you about something like, pay attention, BA difference B? What is the probability of A difference B? How many chances here for A difference B? It's 2 chances out of what? 7. So when it comes to BA difference B, it will be what? 2/7. I want to build a relation between what? Between the difference here and the probability of A, as you see, and the intersection. What do you notice? We observe that this 2/7 equals what? PA, as you see, 3/7 minus 1/7. So this one here, B, A difference B, equals what? BA minus BA intersection B. Okay. Now, let's go back to Venn diagram and shade some of them, some of the events I'm going to ask you. So let's write A here and B. What is the intersection? BA intersection B. This part here is the intersection. Do you see it? So the shaded part represents what? Represents the intersection. So here it's B, A intersection B. Okay. What about the union? The union, we will shade A and B. We are going to shade A and B. What about A difference B? This part here. This part represents A, but not all A. It's A difference B. Okay. The elements in A only. Okay. So this part represents, we can write it in the probability, it's B A difference B. This part represents A difference B. A difference B. If you want to find the probability, so you will divide A difference B, the number of elements in A difference B, divided by what? The sample space, all possible outcomes. Okay. Now I'm going to ask you some hard questions about Venn diagram. And I'm going to tell you the strategy you follow just to find any rule, any question you asked. So I'm going to write here 1 in this area. Here is 1. And this one represents what? This one represents A difference B. This one here, I mean by this area here, it's A difference B. So A difference B is represented by 1. And 2 is what? What's 2? So A intersection B equals 2. And let's write here 3. What is 3? It's B difference A. So B difference A is represented by 3. And this 4, you know what is 4? 4, it's A union B dash. A union B dash, the complement of A union B. Now, if I ask you about B, A dash intersection B, how can you find it? So first of all, what is A dash? Let's ask Muaz, what is A dash?
A dash is 2, 3, 4.
No, it's not 2, 3, or 4. Look at A. A is represented by what? 1 and 2. So what is A dash? A dash is 3 and 4. And what is B? What is B? B equals what?
3 و 2.
It's 2 and 3. And I want to find the intersection, the common. Let's say it simply. The common elements between them. I have 3 and 4, and I have 2 and 3. What are the common elements? We have only 3 only. So you write 3 because I have A dash and I have B. So the intersection is going to be what? Only 3. 3 is the repeated. So write 3. What is 3? What is 3? So BA dash intersection B is the same as probability of B difference A. Did you get it? So BA dash intersection B, we reach to a conclusion which is the same as the part 3. And what I mean by the part 3, it's the intersection between A dash and B. It's the probability is the same as the probability of B difference A, which is the probability of B minus intersection, BA intersection. This 3. Okay? Okay, let's have a look at node. If I ask you about B A dash union B dash Giovanni, what is B A dash union B dash?
أول حاجة هتبقى A union B ونحط داش فوقيه.
A union B. No, it's not like I didn't say something like that. But what I said, Mustafa, is what is A dash? What are the areas represented? A dash 3 and 4. Union B dash A dash B dash is 1 and 4. So you will find the union of 3 and 4, union 1 and 4. So it will be 1, 3 and 4. Now look at the Venn diagram. 1, 3 and 4. What do you notice? I took all areas. I took 1, this area here, and I took here, as you see, I took 1, and I took 3 and 4. So I shaded all the Venn diagram, all areas in the Venn diagram, except what? Except 2. So we can say it simply that as B, okay? B, yes, A intersection B dash. Why is that? Because I want to say that we are going to take all areas except 2. I want to say that I'm going to take all areas in the Venn diagram except 2. So it's B A intersection B dash. Do you know which is equal to what? 1. If you remember, 1 minus what? 1 minus B A intersection B. Did you get it? Now let's. If I ask you to find, I'm going to draw it again. Here is A, and here is B. Okay, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to find B, A dash, union B. To put it at ease, just to find A dash. What is A dash? A dash is 3 and 4. Union B. What is B? 2 and 3. So union means to take all of them, it will be what? 3, 4, 2. So 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 2. As you see, we took all parts. We took 2. Okay, this 2 here. As you see, and 3, and also 4. Do you know what's 4? All the Venn diagram. Outside, all of them. This is the area represented 4. I mean by that, this is the area represented 4. So you are left with what now? You have now, because you took all areas except what? 1. So it's B1 dash. What is 1? What is 1? A difference B. So it's B, A difference B dash. And you should be familiar with what is A difference B. Do you know A difference B is B A minus BA intersection B minus BA intersection B. And don't forget to find the complement of that. To find the complement of that. Okay, let's imagine that the probability of BA minus BA intersection B equals something like 0.3. Do you know what is a dash? What is if I said 0.3, what is BA difference B dash in this case? It will be 1 minus this probability. It's not 0.3 by the way, but I assumed that it's 0.3. So it will be what? 1 minus 0.3, which is 0.7. Did you get it, all of you? Now I want to ask you about B A dash difference B. B A dash difference B. Let's ask Amr. A dash is what? A dash is 3 and 4. Okay. A dash, pay attention everyone. A dash is 3 and 4. Difference. What is B? 2 and 3. What is the difference? You know, what is the difference between A dash and B? It's only 4. Now go to the Venn diagram. And what is 4? Ask yourself about this 4. You know, this 4 is represented. This 4 is A union B dash. So in this case, I found the part in from the Venn diagram after finding A dash. So what is A dash? A dash, as you said, 3 and 4 minus difference 2 and 3. It's 4. What's 4 now? I'm asking you now. What's 4? You know this 4 is A union B dash. So we can generalize it as B A union B dash. Do you know what is that? It's 1 minus B A union B. Okay. So using this trick leads to find any of the rules you might be asked without any effort. Just put 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you have here 1, 2 for A, 2 and 3 for B, and 4 for A union B dash, the area. You know what is this for? It's A union B dash, all areas outside A and B. Giovanni, did you get it? Okay, you want to eat? Do you want to eat? Okay, I hope you enjoyed this session. See you in the coming episodes. Goodbye.